Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Seavminh, and today we're gonna talk about a country in South Asia and how those countries become independent, who won it and who gave it. So now let's get started together. So the first one is Brunei. Brunei became independent on January 1st, 1984. The people of the Brunei wanted to rule themselves, and Sultan Omar Ali Saifuddin III led the way. They got independent from the United Kingdom. Second, Cambodia. Cambodia became independent on November 9, 1953. King Norodom Sihanouk worked hard to demand freedom from France, and yes, finally France gave Cambodia its independence. Third, Indonesia. Indonesia declared independence on August 17, 1945. Sukarno and the people of Indonesia fought to end Dutch rule. Even though they declared freedom in 1945, the Netherlands didn't give right away. It took 4 more years of the struggle. Finally, the Dutch gave independence in 1949. Fourth, Laos. Laos became independent on October 22, 1953. The movement called Pathet Lao, led by Prince Suvarnabhumi, pushed for independence. France gave independence to Laos after long talks. Fifth, Malaysia. Malaysia became independent on August 31st, 1957. Tunku Abdul Rahman led peaceful talk with the British. As a result, the United Kingdom gave independence without war. 6. Myanmar or Burma. Myanmar became independent on January 4, 1948. General Aung San was the hero who worked for freedom from British rule. Sadly, he died before Independence Day, but his dream came true. The UK gave independence. 7th, the Philippines. The Philippines declared independence on June 12, 1898. Emilio Aguinaldo was a key leader against Spanish rule, but later the US took control. Finally, the US gave full independence on July 4, 1946. 8. Singapore. Singapore became independent on August 9, 1965. Lee Kuan Yew was the leader at the time. Singapore first joined Malaysia in 1963 but later left and became fully independent. So, in a way, Malaysia let go of Singapore. 9. Thailand. Thailand is special, you know. It is the only country in South Asia that was never colonized, so no need to fight for independence. Thailand stayed free by making smart deal with European power. 10th, Timor-Leste or East Timor. Timor-Leste became independent on May 20, 2002. The people of East Timor wanted freedom after years of conflict with Indonesia. With the help of the United Nations and the world support, Indonesia finally gave independence. 11th, Vietnam. Vietnam declared independence on September 2, 1945. Ho Chi Minh led the fight against France. After years of war, Vietnam became free when France gave up in 1954. So now you know each country in Southeast Asia has its own story of becoming free. Some fought hard, some used peace talk, some were never colonized. Some fought hard, but all of them wanted to stand strong and rule themselves. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy learning with me, Seavminh, don't forget to hit like, comment, and if you have any topic want me to do the video or request something, you can comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Seavminh channel. Goodbye, see you later.